Yeah, so what does your work involve here exactly? Let me maybe start with the insect stuff, because that's what I
Yeah.
pitfalls and stuff. That was cool.
We are trying to determine what what diversity of insects we have in Renosterveld. So because Renosterveld is such a diverse system with diverse plant species, we also suspect that there must be a diversity of insects. So with all the flowering plants now in spring especially, I think there's a lot of focus on the pollinator species as well. So what we're doing is we're setting up some pan traps and some pitfall traps to capture insects, and then use those insects to create a database of DNA. We have this whole eDNA project, which will hopefully tell us, at least if it doesn't tell us each single species we have, it'll tell us the diversity of species that we do have in the area. So I also have some plant surveys during springtime. So we have some permanent plots where we determine, so we only started it this year because I'm the first really permanent person that they have on the reserve.
Okay.
So from here on out, we're going to be monitoring the vegetation every year to see how it changes over years or over time. And then we also have some plots that we are placing around our endangered species or our protected species.
I think that would be very interesting, because Renosterveld, well, you should correct me if I'm wrong here, but there used to be a lot of antelope in the area, and it's interesting to see how the vegetation changes without the antelope, all those major...
It gets very dense. Our conservation manager, Grant, has this saying that at this point, fire is the only tool we have in our toolkit.
You don't have the antelope
we
to
don't
do that disturbance effect.
Exactly.